ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാനിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസിനും ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മാക്സിമം പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തന്നെയാണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിന്റെ ഓപ്ഷനും നമുക്ക് എക്സാമിന് ചെന്നിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ കൺഫ്യൂസ് ആവാൻ പാടില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റുകൾ മാക്സിമം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, നമ്മുടെ നോളജ് ഒന്ന് ടെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി. സോ ഇന്നത്തെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന്റെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. First question, in the prismatic compass, options: the magnetic needle move with the box, the line or side does not move with the box, magnetic needle and graduated circle did not move with the box, graduated circle is fixed to the box and magnetic needle always remains in north-south direction. Answer: option C, the magnetic needle and graduated circle did not move with the box. Second question, the general name is given to the physical part of computer. Options: software, firmware, hardware, device driver. Answer: option C, hardware. The general name is given to the physical part of the computer. Answer: hardware. Third question, which of the following is the hardest rock? Options: marble, tail, diamond, quartz. Answer: option C, diamond. The hardest rock is following diamond. The shear force in the center of a simply supported beam carrying a uniformly distributed load of W per unit length is: options: 0, WL square by 2, WL square by 8, WL square by 4. Answer: option A, 0. The correction for sag is: options: always additive, always 0, always subtractive, sometimes additive and sometimes is subtractive. Answer: option C, always subtractive. The correction for sag is always subtractive. In single Flemish bond, options: front elevation is Flemish bond and back elevation is English bond. Front elevation is English bond and back elevation is Flemish bond. Front and back elevation are Flemish bond and none of above. Answer: option A, front elevation is Flemish and back elevation is English bond. Seventh question, most modern surveying instrument used for civil engineering work is: options: automatic leveling instruments, electronic theodolite, total station, all of above. Answer: option C, total station. Curvature of earth is taken into consideration if the limit of survey is: options: 50 to 100 km square, 100 to 200 km square, 200 to 250 km square, more than 250 km square. Answer: option D, more than 250 km square. Ninth question, an imaginary line laying throughout the surface of the ground and preserving an constant inclination to the horizontal is known as: options: contour line, contour interval, horizontal equivalent, contour gradient. Answer: option D, contour gradient. The rule of water cement ratio is established by: answer: option A, Abraham. Short key to extend a selection to the end of the word is: options: shift plus right arrow, control plus shift plus right arrow, control plus shift plus left arrow, control plus shift plus up arrow. Answer option B, control plus shift plus right arrow. First question, the horizon glass in an optical square is options wholly silver, wholly unsilvered, 1/4 silvered and 3/4 unsilvered, half silvered and half unsilvered. Answer option D, half silvered and half unsilvered. Next, IMB 1401 is first generation computer, third generation computer, second generation computer, fourth generation computer. Answer option C, second generation computer. Next, from which direction does AutoCAD start measuring angle? 12-degree clock, 9-degree clock, 6-degree clock, 3-degree clock. Answer option D, 3-degree clock. Next, a point A is situated in the third quadrant. It is a 3 cm below horizontal plane and 2.5 cm behind the vertical plane. Its projection on plane is options 3 cm above reference line and 2.5 cm below the reference line. 2.5 cm above the reference line and 3 cm below the reference line. 2 cm below the reference line. 2.5 cm above the reference line. Answer option B, 2.5 cm above reference line and 3 cm below the reference line. The moisture content of timber used in building frames can be options 2 to 5%, 8 to 12%, 12 to 8%, greater than 20%. Answer option C, 8 to 12%. 17ഉം 18ഉം KPSC ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത ആൻസർ ആണ്. ആൻസർ കീയിൽ ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താണ്. Next question. The error due to eccentricity of inner and outer axis can be eliminated by options reading both vernier and taking the mean of 2. Reading both phase observation and taking the mean of 2. Double sighting. Taking mean of several reading distributed over different portions of the graduated circle. Answer option A, reading both vernier and taking the mean of 2. So the error due to eccentricity of inner and outer axis can be eliminated by reading both verniers and taking the mean of 2. Next question, a level line is a options horizontal line, line parallel to spheroidal mean spheroidal surface of the earth, line passes through objective lens and the eyepiece of a dummy or tilting level, line passing through the center of crosshair and center of eyepiece. Answer option B, line parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of the earth. So a level line is a line parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of earth. Next, the process of determining the location of the instrument station by drawing receptors from the location of the non-station is called options radiation, intersection, resection, traversing. Answer option C, resection. Next, the correction applied to each 30-meter chain for line measured along the slope theta is options 30 into 1 minus sin theta, 30 into 1 minus cos theta, 30 into 1 minus tan theta, 30 into 1 minus cot theta. Answer option B 30 into 1 minus cos theta. The correction applied to the each 30-meter chain for a line measured along the slope theta is answer 30 into 1 minus cos theta. Next question. The obstruction which obstruct vision but not chaining is a. Options river, building, rising ground, none of them. Answer option C rising ground. The preferable slope of the drawing board support is option 1 is to 2, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 6, 1 is to 8. Answer option D 1 is to 8. Next, when the angular measurement is more precise than the linear measurement in a traverse, the balancing of traverse is done by options any rule, transit rule, Bowdish rule, empirical rule. Answer option B transit rule. The window usually provided near the main roof of a room and open above the adjoining veranda is called options clerestory window, dormer window, bay window, skylight window. Answer option A clerestory window. A pattern of dots that appear on AutoCAD screen of computer but that does not print is called options snap, ortho, grid, limits. Answer option C grid. ഇരുപത്തെട്ടാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം KPSC ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്തതാണ്. ആൻസർ ഓൾ ദ എബോ ആയിരുന്നു വരേണ്ടത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്തു. സോ 29th ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. The toughness of rod aggregate is measured by options attrition test, abrasion test, impact test, crushing strength test. Answer option C impact test. Toughness of the rod aggregate is measured by impact test. 30th ചോദ്യം KPSC ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. Next question. The path of a projectile is options hyperbola, parabola, ellipse, circle. Answer option B parabola. Path of projectile is answer parabola. Age of tree can be ascertained by options number of annual rings, number of branches, radius of its stem, circumference of its stem. Answer option A number of annual rings. Age of tree can be ascertained by answer number of annual rings. You cannot close MS Word application by options choosing file menu then exit submenu. Press Alt plus F4. Click cross button on the title bar. Last one, from file menu choose close submenu. Answer option D from file menu choose close submenu. Next, the Indian Road Congress IRC was set up in options 1934, 1930, 1948, 1956. Answer option A 1934. Indian Road Congress IRC was set up in 1934. Conical edge pencil is used for options drawing the line, lettering, drawing thick line, drawing medium thick line. Answer option B lettering. Conical edge pencil is used for answer lettering. Next question. The first watering before sowing the crop. Options paleo, co-watering, delta, none of those. Answer option A paleo. First watering before sowing the crop. Answer option A paleo. The cement used for canal linings. Options low heat Portland cement, sulfate resisting cement, rapid hardening Portland cement, quick setting cement. Answer option B sulfate resisting cement. Cement used for canal linings. Answer sulfate resisting cement. The scale having same RF but graduated to read different units. Options comparative scale, diagonal scale, vernier scale, none of above. Answer option A comparative scale. The scale having same RF but graduated to read different units. Answer comparative scale. Last one. The permissible error in chaining for measuring with a chain on rough or hilly ground is. Options 1 is to 100, 1 is to 500, 1 is to 1000, 1 is to 250. Answer option D 1 is to 250. The permissible error in chaining for measurement with chain on rough or hilly ground is 1 is to 250. The difference in level of the outer and inner edges of a road curve is. Options gradient, camber, cross slope, super elevation. Answer option D super elevation. The difference in level of the outer and inner edges of the road curve is. Answer super elevation. Huffman's kiln is used for burning off. Options tiles, lime, cement, bricks. Answer option D bricks. Huffman kiln is used for burning of bricks. A good bricker contains 20 to 30% of options lime, alumina, silica, magnesia. Answer option B alumina. A good bricker contains 20 to 30% of alumina. Next, burning of tile is done on options rotary kiln, Sialkot kiln, Huffman's kiln, Bultrench kiln. Answer option D Sialkot kiln. Burning of tiles is done in Sialkot kiln. An example of raking bond is options diagonal bond, English bond, Flemish bond, Dutch bond. Answer option A diagonal bond. Example of a raking bond is answer diagonal bond. A foundation which covers entire area beneath a structure. Options well foundation, raft foundation, pile foundation, pier foundation. Answer option D raft foundation. A foundation which covers an entire area beneath a structure. Answer raft foundation. It is not a method for dam proofing. Options pressure grouting, graniting, integral dam proofing, seasoning. Answer option D seasoning. The portion of support on which first voucher of arch placed. Options soffit, abutment, skewback, houch. Answer option C skewback. The portion of support on which first voucher of arch placed. Answer skewback. Outer curve of an arch is called extrados, crown, splinger, outer bark. Answer option A, extrados. സോ ഇത്രയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്. ബാക്കി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യാം. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടുതൽ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള വീഡിയോസിന് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ. താങ്ക് യു.